In this video, we're going to be talking about prime factorization. Prime factorization is a set of prime numbers that you multiply together to get another number. Let's first find out the numbers between 1 to 20, which are prime and which are composite. So let's write it on the board. So these are the prime numbers. And now I'm going to be writing the composite numbers. So from 1 to 20, these would be the prime numbers, and from 1 to 20, these would be the composite numbers. You might be wondering, how do we multiply the prime numbers to get the composite number? Well, to get 4, you have to multiply 2 times 2. And if you look at the prime side, it says 2 is over here. To get 6, you have to do 2 times 3. As I continue, all of the numbers that I'm multiplying together are prime numbers to create another number. And the other number would be a composite number. So as you can see, all the prime numbers that we have listed over here, at least some of them has been listed in the composite side. So no matter how many times we multiply the prime number, we will get a composite number. So now let's get into what prime factorization is. Like I said before, prime factorization is a set of prime numbers which you can multiply to get another number. This would be the head number over here, and it would basically act like a family tree. However, this time it would be a factor tree. What you do is you'd have the main number, let's say it's 12, and then you have to split it. You have to find the factors. Let's say that you have 2 and 6. 2 is a prime number, but 6 is not. So we could split that into 2 and 3. And these two are prime numbers. Therefore, resulting that the prime numbers of 12 are 2 times 2 times 3. And if we were to do it a different way, like 4 and 3, then we could split 4 into 2 parts, which are prime numbers, just like 3, and we'd get the same thing, 2 times 2 times 3. So they're basically the same thing, no matter how way you do it. Let's do another example and use a bigger number. I'm going to be using 42. I'm also going to be writing 42 here because there's 2 ways already in my mind I can solve this. Let's do the first way. 42 can be divided into 2 and 21. 2 is a prime number, however 21 is not. We can split it into 7 and 3. 7 and 3 are prime numbers, so we're just going to circle that also. Therefore, the prime numbers are 2 times 7 times 3. Now we'll be moving on to the other 42. We can split 42 again into 6 and 7. 7 is a prime number, however 6 is not. We could turn it back into 2 and 3, which are prime numbers. And 2, 3, and 7 are the same numbers we used over here. Therefore, it's equal to the same prime numbers, 2 times 7 times 3. So no matter how you do it, like 2 times 3 times 7, no matter what kind of order it is, it still is the same thing. This is called prime factorization.